Hello and welcome. In today's video I want to show you another solution how to recover your deleted data. Let's go. Sometimes users accidentally delete very important information from their storage devices. I agree, very few people would be happy about that. Fortunately, there is a solution. With the help of special software, you can recover most of your deleted data. So how can you do that? Don't worry, I will show you. Today in this case I will use special software. It's called Stellar Windows Data Recovery. This program allows you to recover data from almost any storage device, whether it is an HDD, SSD, NVMe SSD, USB flash drive, etc. Go to the official site, all links will be in the description. Then press here Free Download. The program has a free trial period. You will be able to recover up to 1 GB of data for free. Now open the downloaded file. Here you can select your language. In my case, let it be English, then press Next, accept the agreement, Next, and press Install. Now wait until it ends. Before performing all the actions that will be shown in this video, you must remember one very important thing. Never write any files to the drive from which you want to recover data. If you do this, you will simply overwrite the sectors where your deleted information is stored, which will reduce the chances of successful data recovery. Even if you emptied the recycle bin or deleted files from a USB flash drive, the data is still stored there. It can potentially be recovered. During normal deletion, only the file table is erased, not the actual files themselves, so be very careful with that. Alright, as you can see, I prepared some files. It's an image, it's an important document, and it's a video. Now we'll write them to one of my test SSDs, which has 120 GB of capacity. Now somehow, accidentally, I will delete them and empty the recycle bin. As you can see, they are gone. So how can we recover them now? Open the app. As you can see, here is the menu. You can choose what to recover. All data, Office documents, emails, audio, photos, videos, etc. Or you can choose the location. Press here Recover From and select the drive from which you want to recover the data. So in my case, this is local disk E. So I select it and just press Scan. The scanning time depends on the capacity of your disk. I deleted the files from the recycle bin, so I'm selecting Recycle Bin. And as you can see, it found all my files. To recover your deleted data, you must select them and press Recover. Now you must select destination path. For example, let it be local disk C. Then press Save, wait until it ends. Let's check my recovered files. And as you can see, it was recovered successfully. The image, the important document, and the video. Great, it works perfectly. If you didn't find your deleted data among the found files, you can use Deep Scan. It will take more time, but you may be able to find your deleted information there. To do it, press right here. You can also save the scan results to continue recovering the data at another time. You can also select common locations, desktop, documents, or you can select location manually. If you are looking for a specific file format, for example only images or only documents, you can use the filters located right here. For example, documents usually have the docx format, videos have the MP4 format, photos have the JPEG, etc. Also, you can manually add raw file formats right here. As you can see, here is the list. That's how you can simply recover your data using special software. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section. If you're interested, all links will be in the description. If this video helps, press the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. See you later, bye.